Hey everyone, Brian from WorkshopAddict.com, and the Ridgid Octane tool line continues to grow. I wish I had a good explanation for what is going on with the Ridgid Octane line, but what they're doing is awesome, and it's giving any Ridgid fans or anyone new who might shop basically at Home Depot an awesome place to put some money with tools with their lifetime service agreement and just some cool tools, man. This is the new Ridgid Octane, of course it's brushless, 18 volt, 4-mode impact wrench, model number R86011B. We did a video on a tool like this. It was their brushless GEN5X impact wrench. Said, hey, it's the best DIY impact wrench out there, and stand by it. But this supersedes it. This is going to be a lot more powerful. So you're getting 485 foot-pounds of fastening torque, 620 foot-pounds of breakaway torque. Now that's going to be calculated out using your Octane batteries on the bottom. You can use any of the Ridgid batteries you have. Just note that unless you're using the Octane batteries, you're not going to get the full performance of this machine. This is pretty much the same feel, use as the old one. You do have the big Octane 0 in the back, but on top you have your 4 modes. You have 1, 2, and 3, which are going to be a standard impact wrench mode. 1 is 0 to 1300 RPMs, 2 is 0 to 1900 RPMs, and 3 is going to be 0 to 2600 RPMs. Then you have an A, which is an auto mode. That's going to be for fastening. Basically, it's going to put 0 to 2100 RPMs out there, and then once it starts to impact, it'll stop. So it's going to stop you from over tightening anything and just give you something that's computer controlled here, a way of stopping. Now, we use this to rotate some tires on the F250 behind me. You notice I didn't use auto mode. I'm not used to using auto mode. I just dropped down to 1. I want to know, based off of my feel and on low power, how the rims are centering themselves, what's going on. These are hub centric, so it takes a little bit more, I think, finesse per se. So I'm using level 1 instead of using the auto mode. I think it's safer in that situation for me to do it that way. Other people might do it differently and have all that same success. For me, I just like to control it myself with the variable speed trigger, and it's very easy to control. Just like the other model and most Ridgid models that are out there, you have the same grip with the hex grip texture and a switch on the bottom that will turn on 3 LED lights that are sitting directly in front of the socket. Good lighting with this tool. I have 0 complaints. It's the same weight, it's the same feel, it's the same everything that without having it next to it to say basically the same, but I feel everything is very, very similar to the last model they had out. That was a good one. It may not fit everyone, as some of the impact wrenches are getting smaller and smaller and smaller. This model is a little bit bigger. It's still like a mid-torque impact wrench. But man, this dude rocks for what it is, for the price that it is, and if you're in the Ridgid line, this is a must-have tool in my opinion, because it gives you a lot more than what the last tool did. What we plan to do with this tool is to keep it around the shop, compare it to the Milwaukee Mid-Torque, show you some different situations that we get this tool into, its performance, and how it holds up with its longevity. I think that's a big thing that we really can't get to with impact wrenches for a while, but I can tell you from how this thing performed right off the bat with the truck behind us, this thing rocks, and it took very, very little to remove 165 foot-pound lug nuts off, and it was like cake. Size, performance, and longevity are going to be the key factors here, and we're going to work on longevity for you in the long term. But so we can get that content to you, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit that bell for notifications so that you not only can see what we have coming out, but also get into our giveaways and see when we do the giveaways if you might be a winner. We appreciate your time, guys. Have a great day.